Welcome to one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world, the Statue of Liberty. For over a century, this symbol of freedom and democracy has inspired millions of people from around the globe. In this video, we'll take you on a virtual tour of this iconic monument, exploring its history, significance, and stunning architecture. The Statue of Liberty was a gift from the people of France to the United States and was dedicated on October 28, 1886. Designed by French sculptor Frédéric-Auguste Bartholdi and engineered by Gustave Eiffel, the statue stands at a height of 305 feet and symbolizes the ideals of freedom and democracy that America represents. The statue was designed to commemorate the centennial of American independence and has since become a symbol of hope and inspiration for millions of people around the world. The Statue of Liberty holds a special place in American history as a symbol of freedom and hope. It represents the idea that all people are created equal and deserve the opportunity to live freely. The statue has also become a symbol of American democracy and a welcoming beacon for immigrants and visitors from around the world. The Statue of Liberty is an engineering marvel, combining the creative vision of Bartholdi with the technical expertise of Eiffel. The statue is made of copper and iron, with the inner framework designed to support the weight of the copper skin. The statue's torch symbolizes the flame of freedom and serves as a beacon to all who approach the island. We hope this video has given you a deeper appreciation for the Statue of Liberty and its significance in American history. If you ever have the opportunity to visit this iconic landmark, we highly recommend it. It is a truly awe-inspiring experience and a testament to the ideals of freedom and democracy that America represents. Thank you for watching and make sure to like and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this.